In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva to seamlessly fade an image into a gradient background. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a newcomer to Canva, this technique will help you create stunning visuals with ease. First, let's begin by opening Canva. It's a versatile design tool that's great for creating everything from social media graphics to presentations. Once you're logged in, the next thing you'll want to do is open a new template. Navigate to the home page and click on Create a Design. You'll see a list of predefined sizes, but if you have a specific size in mind, you can also enter custom dimensions. After opening a new template, the next step is to select the appropriate size for your project. Having the correct dimensions ensures your design looks its best on whatever platform you choose to display it. Now, with your template ready, it's time to upload your images. Look for the Uploads tab in the sidebar. Click on it, and you'll see the option to upload media files from your computer. Select the image you want to work with and upload it to Canva. Once your image is uploaded, insert it into your design workspace. You can resize it by clicking the image and dragging the dots at the corners. To make sure it's centrally positioned, you'll notice Canva provides guidelines to help you align it perfectly. With the image set, navigate over to Apps in the sidebar. Here, you'll find a range of tools and integrations. In the search bar, type Image Blender and click on the first option that appears. This tool will allow you to blend your image with a gradient effect. Select your image and then click on Linear to start applying the blend effect. You'll see dots that you can drag to either increase or decrease the intensity of the blend. Adjust these until you achieve the desired blend effect. Furthermore, you can tweak the strength level to perfect your fade. Once you are satisfied with the image blend, remember to save your progress. Next, click on the Background tab and choose Background Color. Selecting a complementary color to your image enhances its appearance. Choose a shade that will transition well with your image. To add a finishing touch, go to the Elements section and search for Light. Choose a graphic that you like, and position it around your image, especially around the face if it's a portrait. You might want to right-click, select the layer, and send it to the back to create depth. Finally, head back to Uploads to insert your main image again. Adjust its position and size to align with the faded image that you just created. Use the corner dots to fine-tune the size and alignment, making sure everything lines up seamlessly. And there you have it, a beautifully blended image with a gradient background ready to captivate your audience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow design tutorials.